Hi guys, here's how to add your portfolio on Upwork. So the first step is to click right here on your profile picture and then click on settings. And once you click on settings, you have to enter your password. It's just a security protocol. Once you enter your password, right here on settings, click on my profile. And once you click on my profile, you see different sections of your profile. So right here, click on portfolio. So this profile here is a writer's profile. So I'm providing writing services, crypto content writing services. So I have to create a portfolio project that is within, that niche. Okay. So project title, you simply enter the title of any specific projects that you've done in the past. So for this, I would say crypto SEO article. Okay, you can type crypto SEO article or crypto article for Binance. So the idea is your portfolio project is essentially a part of your ranking on Upwork. Okay, what that means is that you have to make sure that you've done search engine optimization for your portfolio title and your portfolio description. Okay, so let's start with the title. Since this is a crypto writing service, I have to write something relating to crypto and something that will help me rank for specific crypto writing keywords. So, for example, crypto article, crypto blog. Okay, so let's say the project title is um, crypto article for a big crypto exchange, let's say Binance. Okay, crypto article for Binance. That's the title of my project. And then right here, you can see related specialized profile. You can select no profile or choose any specialized profile you have, but it's better to click on no profile. And then you can add this portfolio to your specialized profile later on. Okay, so right here, click on completion date and then choose the date that the specific project was completed. Then go to select template, and once you do that, you can choose to show your project as a gallery, a case study, or a classic view. Okay, so let's just choose gallery just for the sake of this tutorial, and then you go to add details. Once you go to add details, you can drag and drop any picture that describes your project. So I'll just pick a random picture, but for your profile, I think it's better to use a picture that you know depicts whatever it is that you're doing. So right here, I'll just choose a random picture of my computer. And then right here, it says skills and deliverables. Again, this is a part of your SEO. You want to include skills that you want to rank for on your main Upwork profile, skills that are relevant to the service you're offering. So since this is a crypto writing service, I'll choose cryptocurrency, article writing, article content writing, and then cryptography. And then the URL of the project. This could be a website that you've designed or an article you've written, website content that you've written. If you have a URL, you can just put it in here. And then right here is the project description, which is very important for SEO purposes. Okay, so the project description should contain keywords that are relevant to your profile. So you can write a detailed description of your work. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just say that I wrote a 1000 word article for Binance. It was search engine optimized and ranks on Google first page. Okay, so this is very good because first of all, I've used the keyword right here, 1000 word crypto article for Binance, and then I've put in some information that clients would love to see, which is the fact that it ranks on Google's first page. So if you're a website designer, you can write something similar. Just say I designed a stunning website for any specific company, and write something good about the work you did. So once you're done, you just go to preview. So for the preview, you can just, see everything that you've added, the title, the picture, the description, the template you've chosen, and then you click on publish. Once you click on publish, your portfolio project will be published right here. Okay, so it's very easy to publish your portfolio. As you can see right here, we have our portfolio crypto article for Binance. Okay, so you can add more by clicking here and then choosing a separate template. Now you need to add your portfolio project. You need to make sure that your portfolio project is added to your specialized profile right here. Okay, so the one we just did is on the main profile. Right here it says all work, so that's your main profile. So you can just click on your specialized profile, click on plus, and then add a portfolio project right here. Okay, so let's just do that right now. So let's say a new project, crypto content writer for a crypto uh, broker. Okay, right here you can already see our specialized profile is selected, and then you can just click on the completion date, choose any date that the project was completed, and you can see right here again I've written a keyword which is crypto content writer. Then go to select template. So last time we used gallery, this time we can just use case study. The case study template is much more detailed, so just go to add details. It's much more detailed than the gallery. Okay, so what was your role in this project? So you can just say lead uh, lead crypto writer and editor. Okay, very good. And then you have to describe the task and the challenge that you faced. Okay, so I wrote okay, I'll just pause this and type all of this out. You can see a brief description of the task, and then again you can add your picture if you have one, but I advise you to have a picture that depicts the project you did. So once you're done with right here, you have to describe the task you did or the challenge that a client was facing, and then right here you have to just type in the solution. So the solution could be that you wrote articles that ranked on Google, um, while the task, like we wrote earlier, could be that the client needed to rank on Google. Okay, I wrote crypto articles. Remember to add your keywords. Crypto articles that rank on rank on Google. Okay, I wrote crypto articles that rank on Google. So the clients wanted to rank on Google, and then you did that. Okay, very good. And then the project URL again, if you have one, and then the skills, if you have specific skills that you want to rank for, just type them in here, and then go to preview, and then yeah, you need to add a picture or a file that shows what you did. Okay, then go to preview. Then right here you have your project. So just check everything and be sure that it's correct. Again, for your actual project right here, you shouldn't have Elon Musk. You should have what you did. If you're a writer, you can add a Word document. If you're a web designer, you can add screenshots of websites that you've designed. If you're a graphics designer, add screenshots of things you've done in the past. Okay, and then right here you click on publish, and then your project is added and ready to go. So if you got some value from this video, kindly like and subscribe, and I'll see